You're charged with deadly conduct. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Officer was dispatched to an apartment complex and spoke to a complaining witness who said that she was laying in her bed and was awoken by her son, the defendant, screaming. And then she heard 2 gunshots go off in the apartment. The complaining witness then got out of bed and took the gun from the defendant, hid it, and called 911. Upon arrival, the law enforcement officer recovered the weapon, along with 2 fired shell casings and 2 fired slugs matching the caliber of the pistol fire. Upon contact with the defendant, the law enforcement officer noticed the odor of alcoholic beverage and that the defendant was wet while fully clothed. The defendant stated he had
So, defendant was what?
wet while fully clothed.
Wet while fully clothed. Okay.
Sure. The defendant stated he had been drinking alcohol and smoking marijuana and that he fired the firearm in the apartment. The defendant stated he was wet because he dumped a bucket of water on himself. The defendant stated that he was paranoid at the time.
Mr. Cos, I'm sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, was in your system. You're to come right back. I will appoint you a lawyer today, but you're not to use alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well for you. You're also not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So do you guys have a rip done on this case? Do we
Yes, sir.
know whether she wants him back at home or no?
I made contact with the claimant owner, however, she did not wish to talk with me about the incident after.
She didn't want to talk to you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Don't be in possession of weapons, Mr. Kiles. You know, I don't want to have to put you in jail and make your bond high. I don't know if you have anyone in this life that is prepared to pony up $5,000 to $10,000. So when you're out there in the free world, if you don't have anyone that's going to, you know, pony up that money for a bond, you'll be stuck like Chuck in there. So be careful. All I want is my city safe.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do is I'll appoint you a lawyer today. Or do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like a court-appointed lawyer?
You can appoint me a lawyer, and I may consider hiring one if the understanding is not
I
understood.
just want to know whether you want a court-appointed lawyer or not.
Yes,
I
sir.
can
Yes,
appoint
sir.
you a lawyer
Yes, sir.
today. I'm sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything's in your system. Come back and then I'll have a lawyer waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay, please.